Hello, guys. Welcome back. So, if you need to pay a straight talk bill for someone else, the process is actually very simple once you know what information is required. Whether you're helping a family member, friend, or managing multiple lines, Straight Talk allows you to add service to another number. This makes it convenient, but it can still feel confusing if you're not sure where to enter the details or how to apply the payment correctly. Once completed, the line will be active without any interruption. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to pay someone else's Straight Talk bill quickly and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Open the Straight Talk website or app on your device. Step 2. Select the option to refill or add service. Step 3. Enter the phone number you want to pay for. Step 4. Choose a plan or enter a refill code. Step 5. Enter payment details and confirm the transaction. Step 6. Check confirmation to ensure the service has been added.